Hello friends, welcome to the bridge connecting aspirants. As I said in my previous video titled as 20 most important topics for prelims, here I am coming up with the first video which is bioreserves of India. In this video our focus is on bioreserves of India and their importance and some of the factual information related to them which is important for UPSC prelims. If you are watching this video for first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel and do not forget to share it among your fellow aspirants so that it reaches to the maximum number of candidates. Alrighty then, let us enter into the content. First and foremost, let us understand what is a bioreserve. See, according to the international definition, bioreserves are natural and cultural landscapes comprising of terrestrial, marine and coastal ecosystems. So here terrestrial means related to land and marine means related to ocean or sea, and coastal, you know, the coastal areas that is adjacent to the ocean or sea areas, and these are designated by UNESCO, and it has a dedicated network of bioreserves which is under the title Man and Bioreserve Program. So the aim of this program is to include humans in the conservation of nature so that human beings can become active participants in conserving the nature. Clear? Another designation given to bioreserves by UNESCO is that these bioreserves are science for sustainability support sites. What does it mean? See, in the conservation of the nature, there are two types of conservation. One is called in situ conservation, that is within the site. We do not take the species or the flora or fauna away from that particular location. We conserve those species within their locality. And another thing is ex situ. What does it mean? That means here the species will be taken away from its natural habitat and will be kept in scientifically designed locations. So such conservation is known as ex situ. Our bioreserves comes under the first category of in situ conservation. All right. Now, what is the criteria behind designating a bioreserve? Let us see that criteria. First, it must be a protected and minimally disturbed core area. So unless and until this first criteria is satisfied, no area will be designated as a bioreserve. Clear? Next, second thing is sustain a viable populations representing all trophic levels. That means there must be a diversity with respect to species, both flora and fauna. There must be good diversity. Clear? Next is involvement of the local communities, that is the local people, tribal people or local people, as I said here, man and bioreserve. So there must be involvement of the local people and use of their traditional knowledge in conserving these bioreserves. Next thing is preservation of the traditional tribal or rural modes of living for harmonious use of. Please remember this, harmonious use. That means the cohabitation of both species and humans side by side in a particular location. So these are the four criteria on which a particular location is designated as a bioreserve. Now let us see the structure of bioreserve. See, any bioreserve is divided into three parts. The outer part is known as transitional area, and next layer is known as buffer zone, and the inside part is known as core area. Clear? So now what are the activities that are allowed? What is the characteristics of a transition area? In transition area, human settlements are allowed, and part of activities such as grazing, animal grazing and a little bit of agricultural activities etc. are accepted here. In the buffer zone, see, tourism is accepted and tribal people, their settlement is accepted. In the core region, it is highly sensitive, ecologically sensitive region, and here nothing is accepted except the scientific study of environment. Clear? So that's why these no markations are there. Here the camera mark is there, that means the tourism is allowed here, sightseeing is allowed here, settlements are allowed here, tribal settlements, grazing etc. are allowed here, and here only research and scientific study is allowed within the core area. So this is the structure of a bioreserve. Now let us enter into India's perspective and how many bioreserves are there in India. As I said in my introduction video, there are 18 bioreserves in India. Out of these 18, 11 of them are included in the World Network of Man and Bioreserve Program, MAB program of UNESCO. So let us see what are these 18 bioreserves. Let us see how to remember them, what is the trick to remember them, and which of them are under MAB, and any factual information related to these bioreserves. Shall we? So for this purpose, what I'm going to do is divide this entire India into three sections. One is Southern India, then second section is Central India, and third one is North India. And remember this particular code 5, 6, 7. What is the total of it? 5 plus 6, 11 plus 7, 18. So our count of 18 is over. Now what does it mean? In the southern India, 5 bioreserves are there, and in the central India, 6 are there, and in the North India, 7 of them are there. So out of this, also remember 443. So you just have to remember 567 and 443 in this order. So out of 5, here 4 of them are under MAB program, and here also 4 of them are under MAB program. Here 3 of them are under MAB program. So total 11 of them are under MAB program. So this is it. Clear? Now let us enter into each section and see what are they and what is the factual information important for UPSC with respect to them. Clear? So first enter into southern part of India. In southern part of India, as I said, 5 are there. Out of them, 4 are under MAB except Seychalchalam Bioreserve. All of them are under MAB program. So what are they? Great Nicobar, Gulf of Mannar, and Agastamalai, Nilgiri, and Seychalchalam. Nilgiri is very important for us. So let us see one by one. First and foremost, Great Nicobar. So Great Nicobar, the location is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Nicobar is the biggest island there, and it is in list of MAB. It has been added in 2013. And what is the importance of this? So there are species, the saltwater crocodile and giant leatherback sea turtle. Please remember this and look for its IUCN conservation status. It is important. So these are the important species which are there, and there is a high endemism here. Endemism means certain species are they are location specific to particularly this bioreserve, and they are not available anywhere else. Such a criteria is known as endemism, that is endemic to this particular region. So because of its geographical isolation, you can see this, because of the ocean, it is geographically isolated from other parts of India. Because of this, it has lot of endemism and many area specific species are there. Clear? Next, another important thing is the tribal people who are involved here is Shompmen and Nicobaris. Clear? So these are the two important tribal peoples of this particular bioreserve. Next, apart from that, other species are also there and fauna and flora is also there, but these are the highlighted ones. Now let us move to the next one, which is Gulf of Mannar. So it is a bioreserve located in the coast of Tamil Nadu state, and it is also in the part of MAB program, Man and Bioreserve program. It has been added in 2001. And what is the importance of it? Sea cow or dugong. See, I have given the image of it. This is the important keystone species here, and it helps in the ecological balancing in that particular region. And this particular bioreserve in the coastal region also known for pearl culture and seaweed culture. Okay, so this is the importance with respect to Gulf of Mannar. Now let us move to next one, which is Agastamalai Bioreserve. Agastamalai is located in Kerala state, and it is in the part of Man and Bioreserve which has been added in 2016. And what are the important species? In Asian elephant, Nilgiri tar, and Bengal tiger, Royal Bengal tiger. So these are the three important ones. Another thing here, as I said in the Andaman Nicobar, this falls, Agastha Malay falls in Western Ghats, And Western Ghats are again biodiversity hotspot in India. So in India, two biodiversity hotspots are there. One is identified along these Western Ghats, another one is identified in the northeastern Himalayas. So in the Western Ghats, there is high endemism. Like I said in here, endemism is area specific, and so many endangered species are available here. So all of them become important. So as if this Nilgiri tar itself is a endangered species. Clear? So this is all about Agastya Malai, and let us move to the next one, which is Nilgiri Bioreserve. Please remember fact with respect to this. This is the first bioreserve in India and first one to be added into the MAB program as well. 2000, in the year 2000, it has been added to Man and Bioreserve program, and it is spread in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. One more fact is, if you see the location of it, see here on the west side there are Western Ghats, and on the eastern side you have dissected Eastern Ghats. They are not continuous. So this bioreserve, Nilgiri bioreserve, these mountains, they are the meeting point of both Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Both of them meet here. And one more thing with respect to this Nilgiri is, Nil means blue, Giri means mountain. So why the name Nilgiri? Because these mountains, see, once in 12 years there is a specific plant named as Neela Kurunji. Please remember this Neela Kurunji plant. This plant blooms once in 12 years. So around October, November, you can see the blooming of it. So because of this, all the mountain ranges in this particular location, they look like blue mountains. That's why the name Nilgiris. Clear? So this is one more important fact with respect to prelims. Now what are the important species in this location? One is Nilgiri Tar. This one I have given the image here. Then the tiger, the Bengal tiger, and most important one is lion-tailed macaque. This fellow. So he has a tail looking like a lion, and this facial features also somewhat similar to the hair of the lion. And so many times questions have been asked in the UPSC prelims about this fellow's behavior. Most of the time he spends his life in the canopy, he does not come down. Okay. And he eats the fruits, and whatever his water necessities, all of them will be, no, he takes care from those fruits and leaves. And the fifth one is Sechasalam Hill Ranges. It has been designated as bioreserve in 2010, and it is not in Man and Bioreserve. So I said out of 5, 4 of them are in MBB program. So this is the excluded part, and the importance of it is, it comes in the districts of Kadapa and Chittor in Andhra Pradesh. And this particular bioreserves is home for the Lord Balaji Hills, that is 7 hills of Tirumala Hills. Okay. And here the key important species slender loris, here this one, and flora is red sandalwood. So this is all about the bioreserves in the southern part of India. Now let us move to the central part of India. Clear? So in the central part, as I said, how many of them are there? 6 of them are there. And out of 6, how many have been, in the MAV program? 4. So please remember 5, 6, 7, 4, 4, 3. So that is the code. Clear? So let us begin with Sundarbans. So Sundarbans, it is a coastal ecosystem, and one more thing you have to remember here is, these Sundarban bioreserve are home for, and it is largest home for mangroves. So what is a mangrove? Mangrove is a special type of tree species, and these tree, they can breathe even in the salt water. So they are saltwater species, and they help in the coastal conservation, and they have a lot of importance, and ecologically they provide home to many species. That's why biodiversity is very, very rich. So they are spread in the Sundarban and the delta of Ganga and Brahmaputra. So they are extended to even Bangladesh as well. This is the largest delta and largest mangrove switch in the world. Clear? Now, so Gangetic Delta is their home, and it is in the part of MAB program, that is Man and Bioreserve program. As I said, it is home for mangroves, and the key species include the Royal Bengal tiger. It is the keystone species in this location. Matlab, without this species, the ecosystem cannot be balanced. So it plays a very important role in balancing the ecosystem of Sundarbans. One more thing with respect to the name of the Sundarbans, why the name Sundarban? Because of the mangrove tree which is called Sundari tree. Clear? Now let us move to the next one, which is Simplipal. Simplipal is located in Odisha, and it is in MAB program, Man and Bio Reserve program. And what are the key species here? Gaur, this one, and Royal Bengal tiger, Asian elephant. These are the three important ones. And it is also home for so many tribes like Bondas are there and Gonds are there. So you know Orissa has significant amount of tribal population, and so many of those tribes are located in this particular bioreserve. Now let us move to next one, which is Achanakmar and Amarkantak. So it is located in Maikala range, Maikala hills of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. It is spread on these two states, and it is included in the MAB program, that is Man and Bioreserve program. What is the key species here? Indian wild dog and four-horned antelope. I have given the image here. You can see this antelope will be having four horns, two in the regular, and just above the eye sockets there will be two more horns. So, and this is the wild dog, Indian wild dog. These are the two key important features in this particular bioreserve. Clear? One more thing is with respect to the drainage pattern of this Maikala range. See, the rivers which are originating from this Maikala range, they have a pattern called as a radial pattern. That means they originate from the top of these mountains and they move in all possible directions in a radial manner. Clear? Also remember this fact. Clear? Now let us move to the next one, which is Panna. Panna has been in news. You know the reason why it has been in news, because of the uh, ongoing program of linking of rivers Kane and Betwa, Kane Betwa river linking program. Because of it, significant portion of the Panna reserve has been threatened because of this, and so many environmentalists have filed a petition against this project. Then later on, the government has come up with some solutions such as biofencing and undisturbance to these tiger species, particularly because Panna is a tiger reserve as well, right? Under Project Tiger, it has been included there. So because of these measures, it has been said okay with the program. Now let us see a little bit about the Panna bioreserve. So as I said, it is located in Madhya Pradesh and Kane River catchment area, and it is also a national park and tiger reserve because significant portion of the tigers are there. Tiger, cheetal, and chinkara and sambar are the key species. You can see here also tiger holds the key portion. If without tiger, the population of the cheetal, chinkara, and sambar, they increase exponentially because the all of them are prey to the tiger. Clear? So that's why tiger is a ketone species in this particular location. Clear? Next, let us move to next one, which is Panchmari. Panchmari is also located in Madhya Pradesh, and the terrain or the ecological type is semi-arid. So that means rainfall is 70 to 100 centimeters per annum, and it has been included in the MAB Man and Bioreserve program. With this, our four are over. One is Sundarbans, then Simplipal, then Achanakmar, Amarkantak, and finally Panchmari. These two, Panna and Kutch, they are not included here. So 4 out of 6 have been included, and the key species here is giant squirrel and flying squirrel. So this one is important, flying squirrel. I have given the diagram here. It is not exactly flying, it is gliding with style. So this person he has the particular mechanism. So when he glides, so it looks like it is flying. So do look at these species and its conservation status, IUCN conservative status. It is important for UPSC. Now let us move to the last one in the central Indian section, that is Kutch. So Kutch is located in Gujarat. So location is Gujarat, and its ecological type is desertic, right? Rainfall is less, So you can see it as a barren line, but it is ecologically rich, and diversity is huge, and it is the largest bioreserve in India. Please remember this fact. And with respect to the fauna and key species, Indian wild ass is very much important here. And in the Kutch area, Gujarat is also known for this Gir forests. So remember this Gir Forest National Park is there, and it is home for Asiatic lions. And this is the location in entire world where you can find Asiatic lions. So this is the last home of Asiatic lions. Next, another important thing is Great Indian Bustard. I have given the diagram here. This is the bird, and largest bird of its categories. And once upon a time, it has given tough competition to Indian peacock to the position of Indian bird. Clear? So these are the 6 bioreserves in the central India. I hope these are clear, and 4 of them have been included in the MAB program. So far we have covered 5 plus 6, total 11 bioreserves. Let us see the last section of remaining 7 bioreserves in the North India. So let us go one by one in the same manner from right to the left. So let us begin with Dibang and Dihang. So what is it? It is a bioreserve located in Arunachal Pradesh, and Arunachal Pradesh is known for so many tribes, Abors, Abil, so many tribes are there, Mishmi. So these tribal populations are important for us. Please do look at the tribal populations which are in Arunachal Pradesh apart from this bioreserve. And what is the key species in this location? That is Mishmi Takin, this one, and musk deer. Musk deer is important for us. Why the name Dihang and Dibang? Because Dihang and Dibang are the tributaries of Brahmaputra river. So because of that, the name has been given to this. So please go through that particular river tributaries, and I'll also be making a separate video on the rivers and tributaries. There I'll discuss more about them. Right. Next, let us move to next one, which is in Assam, that is Manas. Manas is highly important for us. Uh, it is located in Assam, and it is UNESCO heritage site. Right? Please remember it. This is highly important for us. And why the name? Because of the Manas river that flows through this bioreserve. And what is the key fauna here? Asiatic elephant and tiger and golden langur. This fellow. So these are the 3 important key fauna in this particular bioreserve. Now let us move to the next one, which is Dibru Saikhowa. It is also located in Assam, and here what are the key fauna? White winged wood duck, water buffalo, here is the diagram, tiger and capped langur. So these are the fauna, and it is not so important, but please remember its location. It's also in Assam. So in Assam, 2 of them are there. So one is Manas and second one is Dibru and Shaikova. Okay. Now let us go to the next one, which is Norkrek. It is located in Meghalaya, the Garo hills of Meghalaya, as I was saying in the first slide. So here the tribal people, Garo tribe. On the name of the Garo tribe, the hills gets the name Garo Hills. Here 3 ranges are there, Garo, Kasi, Jaintia hills. So all of them, they got their name based on the tribal population which is living in that particular mountainous region. Clear? It has been included in the Man and Bioreserve program in 2009, and the key species here is a red panda. You might have seen the Guardians of Galaxy movie. In that rocket, so that fellow is a red panda. He is very cute. I forgot to give the diagram. Please do search and you can find the cute diagrams of red panda. Right. So this is all about Norkrek. So let us move to the next one, which is very important. That is Kanchenjunga. It is a mountain peak. On the name of the mountain peak, it has almost 8,500 plus meters of height. On its name, the bioreserve has been given. Yes, I have given the red panda, the peak here. So he's the fellow I was talking about here. So uh, it is a UNESCO heritage site located in Sikkim, and it has been added into MAB program. It is the latest edition, 2018. It has been added to MAB program, and UNESCO also it has importance because it is the only mixed site, Eklota mixed site in India. So what does it mean by mixed site? It comes under both nature and cultural site. So that is the meaning of mixed site. So what are the key species here? One is snow leopard and a second one is red panda. Clear? So this is all about Kanchenjunga. So also do find little bit more information related to Kanchenjunga mountain and its characteristics. Now let us move to Nanda Devi. Nanda Devi is located in Uttarakhand. Once again, the name of the bioreserve, it derives it's from the mountain Nanda Devi, and it is part of MAB. So with this, I guess our three MAB sites have been over. One is the Nanda Devi, second Kanchenjunga, and third one is Norfolk. These three. So 3 out of 7 have been included in the MAB. So 443, which is 11. So our number is complete. Next, the key fauna of Nanda Devi include snow leopard and Himalayan black bear. So remember, all these three, cold desert, Nanda Devi and Kanchenjunga, they comes under the high altitude bioreserves, so which have snow. So therefore all of them are habitable for a snow leopard. Okay, so that's why snow leopard is the key fauna in all of the three bioreserves. So this is all about Nanda Devi. Let us move to the last one, which is cold desert. So the name itself says the deserts are of two type. One is hard deserts. We have one hard desert in Rajasthan and Kutch, which is Thar deserts, and the second one is here Ladakh and cold desert. So it is extremely cold and it is located in Himachal Pradesh. It is also important for Valley of National Park and Khyber Wildlife Sanctuary, and the key fauna here is the snow leopard. So recently the status of snow leopard has improved. So please do little bit of research related to the snow leopard. I'll cover it in the IUCN species. So this is all about all 18 bioreserves, out of which we have also covered 11 which are included in the MAB network. I hope this entire session is clear to you. So thank you very much for patiently watching. And if you have any doubt, please do comment. I'll reply within 1 day, that is 24 hours. And don't forget to subscribe and share it among your friends so that it reaches to the maximum number of candidates. So thank you very much.